I remember a patient I'll call Eleanor, a vibrant 78-year-old known for her rose garden. One afternoon, her 7-year-old grandson, Leo, cuddled up as she read him a story. Suddenly he said, "Grandma, you smell a little funny, like my old library books." Eleanor laughed it off, but the words echoed in her mind for weeks. She started pulling away from hugs, worried others noticed it too. That innocent comment, not meant to be cruel, stole a piece of her confidence. Eleanor's story isn't unique. Many have shared similar moments that make them feel self-conscious and isolated. Sometimes it's not a direct comment, but a subtle shift. Family members keeping a slight distance, a window opening when you enter. These small actions can feel like tiny paper cuts to the soul. You start to question yourself, wondering if you're not as clean as you used to be. The silence is the most painful part. Loved ones don't want to hurt your feelings, so they say nothing. This creates an invisible wall, preventing the closeness you and your family crave. Eleanor tried heavy perfumes and harsh soaps, but nothing worked. The faint, musty odor lingered, and she felt helpless, as if her body was betraying her. She came to my office not for a medical issue, but for a heart issue. A heart aching from disconnection and shame. She wanted to know what was happening, and if there was anything she could do to feel like herself again. Most of all, she wanted to hug her grandson without a shadow of a doubt. When Eleanor shared her story, I told her, "You are not alone, and this is not your fault." I've seen countless patients face this challenge. It's common, but rarely discussed. My job is to replace shame with science and give you tools to take back control. This isn't about hygiene. Many who experience this are meticulously clean. The issue goes deeper than soap and water, but the solution is straightforward once you know where to look. Society doesn't talk about the scent changes that come with age, leaving many feeling isolated. My goal is to bridge that gap and give you the confidence to address it with grace. Let's approach this with curiosity, not fear. I'll walk you through the science and a step-by-step plan to restore your confidence and reconnect with loved ones. This is about letting your true, vibrant self shine through. So, what's really going on? It comes down to natural changes in your body's chemistry. As we age, our skin's antioxidant protection decreases, allowing certain fats to oxidize and produce a compound called 2-non-enol. This molecule has a grassy, waxy scent, what people call old person smell. It's not about being unclean. It's a natural byproduct of aging. At the same time, your body produces less sweat, which means less natural rinsing of the skin. The composition of your skin's oil changes, creating a perfect storm for this scent to develop. Saliva production also decreases, leading to dry mouth and changes in breath. The combination of skin chemistry and a drier mouth creates a subtle but persistent odor. As we age, our sense of smell diminishes, so you may not notice it yourself. That's why a grandchild's comment can come as such a shock. They're smelling something you can't detect. It's a frustrating reality, but understanding it is the first step toward fixing it. And it's absolutely manageable. Eleanor's first instinct was to reach for perfume, a common reaction. But masking the scent of 2-non-enol with heavy fragrances almost always backfires. Instead of eliminating the odor, it creates a muddled, often more noticeable mix. It's like putting potpourri next to spoiled milk. The smell is still there, just more confusing. Many scented products can also irritate aging skin, making the problem worse. Harsh chemicals strip the skin's natural oils, leading to dryness and inflammation. The key takeaway: you can't cover up this issue. You have to address it at its source with gentle, targeted cleansing. It's about restoring balance to your skin, not overwhelming it with artificial fragrances. Once you shift your mindset from masking to removing the cause, you're on the right path. True freshness comes from addressing the root, not just the symptoms. The good news? You can manage this with a few simple tweaks to your routine. Don't scrub harder. Focus on the areas where oils and bacteria accumulate. Use warm water and a mild, unscented pH-balanced soap. Key spots: scalp, behind ears, back of neck, armpits, groin, skin folds, and feet. Wash feet thoroughly, including between toes, and dry completely. Gently lather soap with a soft washcloth, focusing on these areas. Rinse thoroughly and pat skin dry. Don't rub. Apply a fragrance-free moisturizer while skin is still damp. This targeted routine doesn't take much extra time, but makes a world of difference. You're not just cleaning, you're removing the building blocks of unwanted odor. Confidence comes from these small, strategic changes. What you put inside your body matters as much as how you clean the outside. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water a day to flush out toxins and keep skin hydrated. Eat foods rich in antioxidants, berries, leafy greens, bell peppers, to fight the oxidative damage that leads to 2-non-enal. High-fiber foods like oatmeal and beans keep your digestive system regular, helping eliminate waste efficiently. A healthy gut leads to a healthier you. Get 15 minutes of morning sun for vitamin D and better circulation. Fresh air and gentle exercise boost mood and skin health. Good oral hygiene is essential. Brush and floss daily. Don't forget to scrape your tongue. Bacteria there can cause significant odor. Just a few gentle strokes each morning can dramatically improve your breath. These simple habits support freshness from the inside out. Small changes add up to big results. Even perfect hygiene can be undermined if fabrics hold on to old odors. 2-non-enal is oil-based and can build up in clothes, towels, and bedding. Wash these items frequently. Don't let pajamas or house clothes go more than a couple of wears. Don't overload the washing machine. Clothes need room to get clean. Add white vinegar or baking soda to your wash to break down oils and neutralize odors. Wash sheets and pillowcases weekly in the warmest water, safe for the fabric. Hang clothes and bedding outside in the sun when possible. UV rays are natural deodorizers. Make sure everything is completely dry before putting it away. Sprinkle baking soda in shoes overnight and alternate pairs to let them air out. Open windows daily for at least 15 minutes to circulate fresh air. A clean, fresh-smelling environment reinforces your own feelings of well-being. When you make these small, consistent changes, something wonderful happens. It's not just about smelling fresher, it's about how you feel and how others respond. Remember Eleanor? After a few weeks, her grandson snuggled into her lap and said, "Grandma, you smell like sunshine." That invisible barrier of anxiety and self-doubt began to dissolve. You lean in closer, offer hugs freely, and welcome your family with confidence. Your loved ones feel your relaxed energy and mirror it back. The emotional distance disappears, replaced by warmth and easy intimacy. Once you feel in control, you might even share your new routine with your adult children. This shows them you're proactive and removes any awkwardness. Ultimately, it's about reclaiming your place in the heart of your family. These small habits are acts of love for yourself and those who matter most. They unlock deeper, more meaningful relationships. You deserve that closeness. Today, we've pulled back the curtain on a hidden topic. We've replaced myth with science and shame with a practical plan. Changes in your personal scent are not a reflection of your worth. They're a natural part of life. Now you have the tools to manage this with grace and confidence. This isn't about chasing youth, but honoring who you are today. Each step, from showering to drinking water to freshening your home, is an act of self-respect. Imagine yourself, weeks from now, hugging your grandchild or sharing a secret with a friend, feeling completely at ease. The power to change lies in small, consistent actions. Start today. Pick 1 or 2 habits and build from there. Be patient and kind with yourself. Remember Eleanor and Robert. These stories can be yours. This is your time to reclaim confidence and deepen your family bonds. Embrace it. You deserve it.